Hello, my name is Justine Kurtanian, and the app that I chose to show today is Spatial. This app was introduced to me in a former class in an AR VR module, and I did have the opportunity to play around with it a little bit and create a space of my own to utilize in the classroom. However, I still have a lot to learn. It seems like there's a lot of different ways I've heard of people using this. So I'm just going to show you the basics. So this is obviously the home screen. If you scroll down, it gives you kind of a wide variety of basically rooms that you can create. So like it'll take you in a virtual reality and you have an avatar, so you can see an avatar here, that you choose create, and you use keys and arrows to jump to move around this building, and you can create portals to other rooms. So I could start with this, and then on the other side I can create a little portal to this haunted place. But basically I've heard of people outside of educational realm using it to meet with colleagues from all over the world in a meeting space, and then have things presented within that meeting space using VR headsets. So it's pretty interesting to hear just how versatile it is. I actually had the opportunity to meet with Corinna Lathan, Dr. Corinna Lathan, this last year actually, and she gave me her book, Inventing the Future, and she was very familiar with Spatial. She said she met all the time with her VR headset. But let me take you in to one of my spaces. That haunted one really has my attention for some spooky writing they can explore around. But this is one of the rooms I created. It's a camping room. I didn't create anything in the room except for the like the portal back here that takes us to another room, and some activities that you see floating around. So I'm using the arrow to kind of switch my view here, and I'm going to just walk up to this. Oops, she's not listening to me. There we go. So this is one of the questions. This was like a Thanksgiving this was all about Thanksgiving and Native Americans and teaching about culture. So this was one of the activities that they would just double click and be able to respond on there. I wouldn't actually get their grades from this site, but it's a nice little kind of LMS system a little bit. I mean, it kind of acts as Google without the ability to grade that I'm aware of. So I'm going to go back out here and show you kind of a more fun room that I saw that I might want to use for a scary writing space. But this one here, you can hear the sound effects are really kind of mood setting, and you can go all over the forgotten village in this spooky setting. So I'm going to take you through here a little bit. It'll just take like 15 seconds, hopefully. All right, so let's cross that bridge. Just kind of takes you all over. And you can set up activities anywhere, like behind the tree or in the house, or you can make it a step-by-step project where go 5 paces and turn right. Go through the house to the left, turn to the lake. But basically, it's just kind of a fun setting that you can set up and attach activities to that they might engage with. All right, so this has been Spatial. Hopefully this is something you guys might want to explore if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.